Hi, I'm Leon Grunstein. I live in Mercer Island, Washington, and I've lived in Seattle since 1978. And about a year ago, I hurt my knee, tore the meniscus, and dislocated my left shoulder and tore my rotator cuff. And in researching how to get these repaired and fixed, I learned about stem cell treatments. When I was researching for treatment for my dislocated shoulder and my torn meniscus, I found that there were a lot of articles in paper and ads on TV that I was, quite frankly, skeptical about. And I did a background check on the Swedish stem cell program and found Dr. Porcho. He seemed very credible when I met him, and I checked his references and everything played out, and without hesitation I went to him to get treatment, and I've been very satisfied with the results. Today I'm doing quite well. I have range of motion in my left shoulder is 100%. It's as strong as it was before I injured it. It's been about 9 months since I had the procedure, and my knee is still coming along. I'm running again, and quite frankly, if I had another injury, I would not hesitate to come back here and get another treatment.